just drove to meet my dad. I was driving behind like a really slow person. They were driving below the speed limit, and for some reason we were like the same path for like 15 minutes, and this is like an 18-minute drive, so it was like really frustrating. So anyways, I'm here. I'm just waiting for my dad. Wow. Okay, I'm journaling now. I make sure I do 2 pages at least. Trying to work on my self-esteem, so my therapist recommended this book and I've been working on it for like a month now, so I'm gonna continue. I always do 15 minutes at a time, so yeah. Okay, I left off on this page. So I get another thing done on my to-do list. Bro, this is so inaccurate. It said 8.5 centimeters. Why is it so high up? So yeah, I'm gonna add more string and lower it because this is like way too high for a swing. Still not the best, but I think it's better, so I'm just gonna move on to the next step. So I added some greenery and it looks really pretty. So yes, this was what I made today, and tomorrow I will continue. And obviously when I'm done with this whole thing, you'll see it probably in my dorm decorating thing, because I will bring it with me. creative endeavor I just want to do right now. So remember this was the cute My Melody ring. I don't know why they decided to like just make the My Melody just a sticky thing. Like, I mean, I don't think it's worth $10 to have like a sticky thing as a My Melody that was on here. It was such a cute ring, I really liked it, and then it broke. I randomly discovered it was broken when I was hanging out with my friend and noticed My Melody wasn't there anymore, and I was like, oh my gosh. Why didn't they like hot glue it or something? Like, it was literally just like a sticker and it fell off and I couldn't find it. So now, anyways, I decided to use hot glue with okay, so like in this, I've been putting some dried flowers in, and I also have another place that has them, but for now I'm just looking in here, and I will look with you so you can share. But I'm thinking of putting one of those tiny blue flowers in it, because like that's my favorite color, so it would match a lot of stuff. This is so pretty, but obviously it's way too big for a ring. And honestly, this is kind of gross. Like, I had this on a notebook and I just ripped it off and put it in here, but I don't know. See, this is adorable. Oh my gosh. Look how cute these are. I just think these are so pretty. I'm gonna have to make artwork with them or something. But too big for a ring. But see, so cute. Maybe I could pull off this one part. Not sure. At this point, I'm just showing you the book, so. And yeah, this is the last page, the 4-leaf clover I found. And right after I found this, I got accepted to both things I applied for, so that was really lucky. So, yeah. Okay, now let me look through my other thing that has dried flowers, and then I'm gonna make a decision. Earlier, I have some collections in this little pocket. Yeah, and honestly, I don't want to use these because they're like too cool, and I already spent time like wrapping them up in tape, but I'm still gonna show you guys because it is really cool. As you can see, like I kind of wrapped them up, and now it's gonna get really cool as I move on to the butterflies. So I would find dead butterflies on the ground. Like, I didn't kill these. I found them on the ground dead. So to preserve them, I just wrapped them in tape because they're very pretty. This one's the coolest one. Like, it's so cool. But I might make an art piece with it. I'm not going to put it in a ring because it's way too big. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to decide, and I have decided on that one. The blue is so rich. Like, I'm surprised that it stayed, because sometimes when you dry flowers, they turn into like, you know, brown or something, and it's not that pretty. But the blue flowers, it's so pretty. So yikes, gotta be careful. Okay, so I'm thinking between one of these or one of these. Huh. Let me see next to the ring. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do this. So, if you disagreed, then sorry. Okay, so here's the finished ring. It's not like completely dry yet, and it's already kind of getting cloudy. I wish it was more clear, but overall it looks pretty cool. And I added like a little pearl in there because like I wear pearls all the time, so I figured it would be pretty cool. Okay, so I'm going to be reading my textbook last semester, all the sections that had the reading sections, and any characters I don't know, I'm just gonna circle them. And I'm just gonna do that for like 30 minutes. And that will be my Chinese vocab review for the day. Because I'm tired of using Quizlet. That's why I decided to just read today. Okay, so just like that, my day is over because It's 11:38, it's late. I'm gonna go shower and go to bed. And actually watch YouTube before bed because, I don't know, I like doing that. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be making more videos soon, next week. So be prepared.